Good morning, guys. I don't know why I separated these like this, but welcome back to another recipe video where I'm gonna make my brother for lunch for school today. Today I'm just gonna make him some egg rolls, pork egg rolls. The pork is in there. In here we have some carrots, cabbage, some shiitake mushrooms. Of course, you need your egg roll wrapper for that. And some green onions. These are just green onions. And I'm also gonna make a cucumber salad on the side. And for the cucumber salad, you need a cucumber, some green onions, with sesame seed and sesame oil. And these are just the seasoning I'm going to be using in the egg roll. Some hoisin sauce, garlic, paprika, black pepper, salt, MSG, gingers, of course soy sauce, and this sweet chili sauce is just gonna be what he uses on the side. I literally didn't know I didn't have much left, so I gotta get more later. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I sliced the cabbage, shredded the carrots, and here's the shiitake mushroom and some green onion. And here is the pork that I chopped into very small pieces so you can be able to taste the pork, you know. And first thing first, I'm gonna cook the pork and just add the sauce in it. And then after the pork is cooked, I'm gonna add the vegetables on top of it. And after I put the pork in, I added all the seasoning. I added ginger, MSG, salt, black pepper, some paprika, garlic powder. I added some minced garlic in here as well. I'm gonna add the hoisin sauce after I put the vegetable in. And I did use a little bit of sesame oil as well, and some along soy sauce. And since the pork was chopped into bite-sized pieces, it doesn't take that long to cook. I'm just gonna add in the vegetables along the top of the cooking. And that is how it looks. I added in those things. After I added in the vegetables, I put some soy sauce and hoisin sauce on top of it and let it cook. So it cooked for a while, and I'm just gonna let it cool a little bit, and then I wrap it up in the egg roll wrappers. And now here's the egg roll wrappers. I have half of it cut in slices, and then I have the other one that's whole. You also need egg wash to seal it up. Now I'm just gonna do this quickly. If you're wondering why I feel like this is how it's gonna look, and it's just the sealing. I'm gonna rub the egg roll wrapper. Okay, that's taking way too much time. I'm gonna do this off camera quickly. So I have this. That's what I'm gonna use. So yeah, you can see. And this is how it turned out after I rolled it. Honestly, there's always that one that just, yeah, just leave that like that. And the oil is hot, so I'm gonna fry it in the oil. And this is how it turned out. That is so hot. One of them kind of got open, but let me show you how it looks. And that's how it looks on the inside. See the pork and the vegetables. And it's cooked. And that's how you want it to be. Also, you can eat this with the sweet Thai chili sauce. But since the thing is so good by itself already, from how I season it, you don't really need, yeah, my brother wouldn't really need the sauce because it's already so good. Like, just look how good that looks. Inside is perfectly cooked and it's crunchy outside. And I just wasted my phone. Well, stick around to find out if he's gonna finish all of it after school today. I didn't forget about the cucumber salad. So I sliced the cucumber. I put sesame seed, some paprika, salt, black pepper, some garlic powder, and some sesame oil in here. And I'm just gonna shake it up. Hey, okay, so I just came from school. I'm just gonna show you guys. But I haven't finished the lunch today. I know it feels a bit heavy, so I feel like I didn't finish it. I don't know, but we'll see. I'm gonna see under here. Oh, there's a bit of cucumber salad left over. I don't want to put this on my table directly. Okay, I have a feeling no Ricky Joy or beef sticks and he finished it. He said he didn't have enough time because he was studying. And let's see. Okay, so he finished all the egg rolls. This is a little bit of the cucumber salad and those. The reason why is that he was studying during lunchtime, so he didn't have enough time to finish the rest. But he really liked the egg rolls, and asked if I can make some at home today, like for snack or like next time or something. Then I'm like, no, I'll think about it. But I don't feel so well. That's why I'm sounding like this. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. This thing does not want to close, so there we go. Oh, okay, you know what? Bye.